Brand Realme. Model name Realme Narzo 60 Pro. Network service provider unlocked for all carriers. Operating system Android 13.0. Cellular technology 5G. Memory storage capacity 128 GB. Connectivity technology Wi-Fi, USBColour Mars Orange. Screen size 6.7 inches. Wireless network technology Wi-Fi. RAM memory installed size 8 GB. Connector type USB Type-C. Front photo sensor resolution 16 MPForm factor smartphone. Battery capacity 5000 mAh. Rear camera resolution 100 MPCPU model Snapdragon. CPU manufacturer MediaTek. Item weight 185 grams. Included components quick guide, protective case, adapter, charger, USB cable. Display type OLED. Other camera features front. Refresh rate 120 Hz. Manufacturer OPPO Mobiles India Private Limited. OPPO Mobiles India Private Limited. Ploy.No. 1, Udyog Vihar, Greater Noida, Gautam Nagar, Uttar Pradesh, 201,306. GPS True. Water resistance level water resistant. Optical sensor resolution 16 MP display resolution maximum 1080 by 2412 pixels. Battery power 5000. Item dimensions LXWXH9 by 74 by 161 mm. Special feature front camera, RAM 8 GB. Product dimensions 0.9 by 7.4 by 16.1 cm, 185 grams. Batteries 1 lithium polymer batteries required. Included item model number RMX3771. Wireless communication technologies cellular. Special features front camera. Other display features wireless. Manufacturer OPPO Mobiles India Private Limited. Country of origin India. Item weight 185 grams. Additional information. ASIN, B0C7801892F. Date first available, July 5, 2023. Manufacturer, OPPO Mobiles India Private Limited. OPPO Mobiles India Private Limited. Ploy.No. 1, Udyog Vihar, Greater Noida, Gautam Nagar, Uttar Pradesh, 201,306. Packer, Realme Mobile Telecommunications India Private Limited 3rd floor, Tower B, Building number 8, DLF Cyber City, Gurugram, 122,002, Haryana, India. Importer, OPPO Mobiles India Private Limited. Item dimensions LXWXH9